Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting accounts ready. Sign into your Microsoft account and confirm any 2FA because secure linking often requires it. Once done, make sure the Ps5 game supports crossplay and is installed. Crossplay must be enabled in that game's settings. Next, get the other player's exact gamer tag, spell it precisely, including spaces and punctuation, because most systems match exact text. Now you're set to move into the in-game friend or account linking steps. You open the game on Ps5 and go straight to its social or friends menu. Many titles label it Add Friend, Invite, or Link Account. Then choose the Crossplay or Xbox option and type the exact gamer tag. Send the invite and wait for confirmation. If the game uses a publisher account, for example Epic or Activision, make sure both of you have linked those publisher profiles to your Microsoft and PlayStation ID. This step ensures friends appear across platforms and voice/chat works correctly. You finish by having the Xbox player accept the invite, then confirm they appear in your in-game friends list. If they don't, restart the Ps5 game and refresh the social menu. Make sure both networks have an open or moderate NAT type, because strict NAT often blocks crossplay connections. If the invite still fails, recheck publisher account links and re-enter the gamer tag exactly. A common troubleshooting tip: clear temporary game cache by restarting the console. That often forces friend lists to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.